So, Maddie,
You have your,
so,
You like that cake, Maddie?
you're never gonna look at them. Watch yourself.
You'll never be shy about eating again, I promise you.
There you go.
Stick your fingers right in there. There you
She
go.
keeps looking like she wants to. She's like, ah.
they keep turning around to make sure that they don't miss any part of what's going on in
Yeah.
Dora.
Give her a spoon.
How's that cake, Liv?
Why don't you turn around and well, you can get this part.
Alex has got the hang of it. You're not having any trouble getting into that cake, are you, Alex?
I'm trying to stick it into the Zoom.
How about you, Olivia? Is that working? You got it, yeah. Kenzie's got her cake. She doesn't have any problem at all. There you go. You got your pork all covered up there, Maddie. That's good.
You have a bite? No bite, Mom.
Cake for all of